With the default cube selected, press the X key, then click Delete. Click on the File menu, Defaults. Then Save Startup File. This will save all the current settings and objects in the current project in a startup file. All new files from this point will use the new settings. Any object, such as the Suzanne monkey, can be used as the default object. All settings in the current project will be saved in the startup file. Other than the default object, it may also be useful to create default lighting or a new default camera position. If you need to restore the Blender default settings, click on Load Factory Settings.